Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can hide our phone number on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first of all, if we want to hide our phone number, we need to go to the phone application on our Android mobile phone. And this is my phone application guys. I'm going to open it, and we can go to the setting. Click on this three dots on the top right, and then you will find the settings here. Okay, and after the settings has been opened, you can scroll down until you find the supplementary services. Okay, select the supplementary services, and I have a dual SIM on my Android mobile phone, so I need to choose one of them. For example, I'm going to hide my phone number of SIM2, so we just need to go to the SIM2 and then we can choose show your caller ID. Okay, and here we'll have three options guys. If you want to hide your phone number, you can select never. So whenever you call someone on your Android mobile phone, your phone number will be hidden. And I'm going to hide my phone number of my SIM2 as well. So I'm going to go to the SIM2 and click on show your caller ID. And then we can simply click on never. Okay, and my phone number of SIM2 will be hidden as well when I call or when I make a call on my Android mobile phone. And there is another way guys to hide our phone number on Android mobile phone. If you want to use this trick, you can go to the phone application again, and then you need to enter this code before you type in the phone number. You can type in 67 like this, and you can continue with the phone number you want to call on your Android mobile phone. Okay, just enter this code before you call someone, and then you can enter the number like this. And here I have just added like a random phone number. Okay, and then once you're ready to call it, you can click on this phone icon, and then you can select SIM1 or SIM2 if you have dual SIM on Android mobile phone. Okay guys, and that's all the way to hide phone number on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.